What's up everybody, we're back again with another video. The good news is, you don't need to break the bank to level up your health and wellness game. We've got 10 awesome products lined up, from fitness trackers to sleep gadgets and everything in between. So stick around and let's get healthy. First, we've got the Fitbit Inspire 3. This gadget is super lightweight and comfortable for all-day wear. We're talking step tracking, heart rate monitoring, sleep analysis, and even workout tracking. Plus, it's water resistant, so you don't have to worry about taking it off in the rain or during a sweaty workout. Next is something that's super important, especially if you live in a city or suffer from allergies: an air purifier. This LEVOIT Air Purifier is a game changer, and it's surprisingly affordable. It captures a ridiculous 99.97% of particles, so you know you're breathing in cleaner, healthier air. Plus, it operates super quietly, which is perfect for bedrooms or offices. Now let's talk about muscle recovery using the RENPHO Massage Gun. It's like having a personal masseuse on demand. This thing comes with multiple attachments so you can target specific muscle groups with just the right amount of pressure. And the best part? It's compact and portable, so you can easily take it with you to the gym, the office, or even on vacation. Chapter 4. NutriBullet Pro 900 Series Blender. The NutriBullet Pro 900 is a classic for a reason. This thing is a powerhouse, effortlessly blending up smoothies, protein shakes, and even healthy soups. Plus, it's super easy to clean, just rinse it out and you're good to go. Chapter 5. URPOWER Essential Oil Diffuser. This diffuser not only fills your home with amazing scents like lavender or eucalyptus, but it also doubles as a humidifier. And let's not forget about the design. It's sleek, stylish, and comes in a bunch of different colors to match your vibe. Chapter 6. Upright Go-To Posture Corrector. This tiny device sticks to your upper back where you slouch, reminding you to straighten up. It's like having a personal posture coach in your pocket. Plus, it syncs with an app to track your progress, and even provides personalized training plans. Effective at improving your posture over time, and can even help alleviate back pain. Chapter 7. The Hydramate water bottle is here to solve that problem. This isn't just any water bottle. It has these awesome time markers on the side that remind you to take sips throughout the day. Plus, it's BPA-free, comes in a ton of cool colors and sizes, and is super easy to clean. Alright, let's be real, we're all spending way too much time staring at screens these days. These Cyxus blue light blocking glasses are a game changer. They filter out harmful blue light, reducing eye strain, headaches, and even improving sleep quality. Plus, they come in a ton of stylish frame options, so you can protect your eyes without sacrificing style. If you're looking for a natural way to improve your sleep, you need to check out this Blue weighted blanket. It's like getting a hug in blanket form. The weight of the blanket provides this gentle, even pressure that feels incredibly calming and relaxing. It's amazing for reducing anxiety and promoting deeper, more restful sleep. Last but not least, we have the Electrofan Classic White Noise Machine. This little machine creates soothing white noise, fan sounds, or even ocean waves to block out any distractions and lull you into a peaceful sleep. It's compact, easy to use, and perfect for travel. So, there you have it, guys. 10 affordable health products that can make a big difference in your daily life. Be sure to check out the links in the description to learn more about these awesome products and grab your favorites. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews, tips, and tricks. As always, thanks for watching.